Hello, everyone. I would like to thank, first of all of you for the opportunity to join the ERGA Executive Board as a Social Integration Officer. I come from Bosnia and Herzegovina, the country known for its exceptional biodiversity. Bosnia and Herzegovina now is a candidate country for EU membership and recently received approval to begin accession negotiations with the European Union. The Sarajevo is the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and due to its long history of religious and cultural diversity, Sarajevo is often referred to as the Jerusalem of Europe or of the Balkan. It's the one of the few major European cities to have mosque, Catholic, can you see? I suppose yes. Catholic cathedral, and Eastern Orthodox church and the synagogue, all within the same neighborhood, covering less than 1 square kilometer. So I come from the University of Sarajevo. Now we are integrated university. Sarajevo was first place on the map of academic centers in this part of Europe in 16th century, and formally established in 1949. Now Sarajevo, University of Sarajevo include 30 organizational units, 22 faculties, 3 academies, and 5 research institutes, and I'm employed in Faculty of Science. I will say a few words about my academic career. In short, I was born in Belgrade, grew up and studied in Sarajevo, spent the entire war in Sarajevo, and then moved to Zagreb and started postgraduate studies. I come from an ethnically mixed family, like most people who grew up in the Balkans. The members of my extended family come from almost all countries of the former Yugoslavia. So the issue of social integration are very close to me. I'm a molecular biologist, currently interested in microbiotechnology of extreme environments, such as subterranean habitats, deep sea, and marine caves. Actually, I obtained my bachelor in Sarajevo, and after that I moved to Zagreb. I did my master and PhD in University of Zagreb. During this time, I was employee of Ruđer Bošković Institute, Laboratory of Molecular Genetics, and I did my PhD on the topic of mitochondrial genomics and evolution of marine, primary marine, but also freshwater sponges. Laboratory for Molecular Genetics is still focused on marine sponge phylogeny, but also on genes which are conserved genes and proteins whose homologs are related to human disease, especially cancer. After a PhD, I was on a Marie Curie Fellowship in Institute of Applied Molecular Biology in University, Johannes Gutenberg University in Mainz. And with the main topic focused on biotechnology and applied science, also using marine sponges. But I was also very interested in symbiont bacteria in sponges. So after coming back to Sarajevo, I briefly was employed at the Institute of Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology in University of Sarajevo, which research was mostly focused on population genetics and conservation biology. Um, uh, Now I'm employed in Faculty of Science as a professor of molecular biology, um, genomics, and molecular evolution. Um, my group is mostly focused on subterranean habitats and not only microbiotechnology, but um, um, cave microbiome analysis, including, first of all, metabar coding, but also metagenomics, uh, with the final aim to in protection of subterranean habitats. We have many collaborations, especially with groups for, who also are interested in exploring of extreme habitats. And as you see now, I'm primarily focused on prokaryotic organisms and different interspecies and interspecies interactions and um, uh, and also connections with subterranean fauna. So my my future position of social integration officer, I see as a bridge between science and society, first of all, ensuring that research not only advances our understanding of biodiversity, but also benefits the wider community. Um, I believe that many ERGA member countries share challenges maybe similar to Bosnia and Herzegovina. For example, especially in transition countries such as Bosnia and Herzegovina, numerous socioeconomic challenges have led official state institutions to further focus on immediate economic priorities rather than biodiversity conservation, which is still not considered as a priority. So the efforts we made in the academic community required a lot of patience and multi-directional communication in order to make the results of scientific research understandable to the public, government bodies, non-governmental organizations, but also local communities and potential, especially potential financiers. I have a lot of experience in a non-governmental sector because I was long-term president of Biospeleological Society of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and we make really a lot of efforts in connecting non-governmental organization and and ministries, for example, with aim to in policy making. Maybe some countries have experienced the consequences of the war or the destruction of infrastructure, while others may be facing problems such as brain drain, exactly like Bosnia and Herzegovina. I suppose all regional countries, for example. With my experience and understanding of these challenges, I'm confident that I can help achieve the common goal of building capacity for genome sequencing and protecting biodiversity. Uh, I'm pretty sure that many countries in ERGA community can't achieve this without the support and cooperation of the consortium. Therefore, the role of social integration becomes crucial in fostering collaborative partnerships, bridging gaps between sectors, first of all, then ensuring that collective efforts are aligned toward the shared goal of biodiversity protection. So by straightening these connections, I'm pretty sure that we can create a more inclusive and sustainable approach to tackling the challenges that face us all. So I really look forward to work with all of you in achieving the common goal, and of course to really include in a social justice committee and try to really contribute to ERGA goals. Thank you very much.